I'm a bit late with my November video diary. It's Gina here from Blackfish Arts, Tasmania. Just noticing this is an echidna digging hole. I haven't seen the echidna, not for a long time. So we have a cloudy day today, and it's a bit cool after a couple of days that were really hot. One turbo chook out there. So the other two, I'm hoping, are looking after eggs with new chicks coming on. Kookaburra's in the background. A couple of days of rain, so I'm on the other side of the bridge outside the paddock across from the studio. You can hear the sound of the creek. It's not terribly high, it's not low. And the Japanese, I don't know what it's called, but it's some kind of Japanese indoor plant which is enjoying very much being under the trees here. All that new growth. I have to keep the fence, so as it's growing I might need to put a bigger, fancier fence around just to get it into some stability, because the possums and the wallabies love to eat those lovely green leaves. Okay, so we have a high point here which tells me it's actually creek's lower than I anticipated. We've just had 3 days of rain. I bet the farmers are pulling water from the creek and watering their crops and stock. Doesn't affect us. I just have this high and low point where I can tell what the creek's doing. And it goes up through the trees around the garden centre out to Snowcone's paddock, our dairy cow in retirement. I see a lot of dogwoods have popped up and actually grown thicker along this edge on the other side. There's a bit of a wilderness through there. Right, I was just closing the studio. It's 5:30. I'm heading up to do some cooking. I'll just head back to the studio. You can hear those kookaburras. Close everything down, shut down the computer, the radio, switch the lights off, and head back up to the house. It's Gina here from Blackfish Arts, Tasmania. Thanks for being here with me, and I'll see you next time. Bye.